Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So our group will be presenting about company efforts.
So my name is Farhanza Rabian Putri.
Ini is Mawada bin Idris.
My name is Muhammad Syamil bin Azhar.
My name is Muhammad bin Muhammad, and my name is Muhammad bin.
So the first presenter will talk about company background.
So the first one I will explain about company background. Apple was founded as Apple Computer Company on April 1976 and produced and making the computer, and this company produced computer and be the best seller that time. And Apple headquarters are located in California. It's designed, develop and sell consumer electronic, computer software and electronic service. These are including iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch and so on. For operating system including iOS and service system including iCloud and Apple Music service.
Next, we go to the problem identified in Apple. The actually problem, the first one is competitive product and still is product improvement. Competitive. In 1985, Steve Jobs left Apple after a power struggle, and the company fortune declined in success. Apple product lineup became fragmented and face increased competition from Microsoft platforms. That's means Apple is a brand new product at the time, and it must face a challenge by existing product. For example, Microsoft Windows has been this for a long time. Apple must struggle to keep their vision and their strategy to keep competitive with other platforms that already exist. The second one is new product. Inception and initial problem. Apple's story began in 1976 when Steve Jobs was young and Ronald Reagan founded the company in garage in Cupertino, California. Their first product, the Apple computer, was a modest success, but the company faced challenges competing with the most established player like IBM. At the time, Apple is a brand new product, and then there are already existing machines and IT technology that are already been approved by the customer. For example, like IBM, International Business Machine Corporation. IBM is already number one IT technology company that is advanced before Apple is invent a new technology that will compete with others. The last one is product improvement. To continue the path to success by looking for every possible new invention, it needs a lot of brainpower and persistence. For example, the innovation of smart TV and smartwatch. Apple have a problem in keeping a new way to improve their product. That's not to still steady to need a old product. For example, Apple always launch a new product and new invention that keep the consumer keep coming to them, so that there is always needed in IT technology. For example, we can say that for iPhone, there are a lot of iPhone brands. For example, from 1 to iPhone 15 right now, there are many inventions that have been improved by them. So that's all from me. Next we go to the agenda.
So next, we will explain about form of innovation. The first one is focused on sustainability. Apple was made environmental sustainability as a bigger the company has made a commitment to switch the renewable energy sources, lower carbon, and use recycled material in its good. And second form of innovation in this company, design excellence. Apple gives design a lot of room, making products that are both aesthetically beautiful and useful. One of the main reasons for the success of Apple product is their elegant and simple design. And for the last form of innovation, ecosystem strategy. Apple has built a comprehensive ecosystem of product and service that works together. These include devices such as iPhone, iPad, and so on. This ecosystem encourages customer loyalty and increase the value of each individual Apple product. So that's all. So next.
So next we go to the types of innovation. So first we have user experience innovation, which is implemented. Apple focus on creating intuitive and user-friendly interface, making their device and software accessible to a wide range of users. Second, the marketing innovation. Apple is renowned for innovative marketing strategies, creating a sense of exclusive and desirability around their product through captivating advertising campaign and product launches. Number 3, we have service innovation. Innovation in payment system like Apple Pay also contribute to the company's service strategy. Next, software innovation. Consistent update to the iOS, Mac OS, and other software platforms demonstrate Apple focus on improving functionality, security, and user interface. Thus, the retail innovation. Apple's retail store are designed for a unique customer experience, allowing users to interact with the product and service personalized assistant. So we go to the next presentation.
This is about innovation sources and technology. The first one is about individual. The Steve Jobs core foundation install the culture of innovation in set the portfolio install the culture of innovation in the ecosystem and the foundation for the company forward-thinking approach the Apple in the system in iOS and macOS. So next is the user actively seeking getting feedback from its customers. So normally Apple use the customer to give their feedback to improve their system time by time. So next is ensure that Apple product like user need and preference and making them more user friendly. So like I said before, Apple use the customer as a feedback to improve their product time by time. So next is government. Government is related to intellectual property. It's about from the government. The Apple is made intellectual property of their customer. So next. The government can safeguard Apple innovation and fostering a secure environment for the development of new technologies. So for the corporate, Apple maintaining a team of experts and specialists. So in Apple, there are specialists and expertise workers for do the product to look more improvement and more smooth. Next is develop cutting edge technology and stay at the forefront of innovation. So the Apple strategically accurate smaller companies with innovation and technologies. So for the technologies that Apple make is the first one, iOS and macOS operation system. Apple proprietary operation system, iOS for mobile device and macOS for computer. It forms the foundation of the Apple ecosystem. Next is about operation system are designed to work seamlessly together and allowing for easy integration and synchronization across devices. The last one about the user-friendly interface and numerous security features contribute to the popularity and user satisfaction with Apple product. This product is about in the Apple we have iOS and macOS. So this is user-friendly and the user can easily use this system with no problem. Next is about Face ID and Touch ID. Face ID is introduced with the iPhone X and later model. User facial recognition to unlock and lock the device and authenticate the transaction. This is about the security in the phone. So you can use the Touch ID and Face ID. So the last one, the series chip. This is one customer processor known as the series chip, which is a power of range of its device, including iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. So next is about demand for performance and energy efficiency. It's enabling Apple device to deliver impressive speed and capability. The last one is the tight integration of hardware and software to ensure a smooth user experience and allow Apple to maintain a competitive edge in the market. So the next one is about innovation support. R&D is research and development. Research and development in Apple have a strong focus to investing in cutting edge technology like artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and machine learning. Apple has a robust ecosystem that includes software, hardware, and service, which is work together seamlessly to provide a great user experience. So Apple before making products, so he do research and development from the user to make the Apple system more smooth and can stabilize when the user use the product. That's all. Next, we go for the next segment.
So, I will present about innovation culture in company. So, number one, hire smart people, then empower them. From Steve Jobs, he said that we hire people so they can tell us what to do. So, basically, they can get more ideas from another workers to create more innovation of their product. So from this, workers can get some improvement or some motivation to create new product for Apple and become more technology. Second, take time to get things right. And also, Steve Jobs said that that's because we don't believe in using our customer as laboratory. Which means that they keep waiting about the customer feedback to create something new product from their customer feedback. So they take more time to create one things about their product before they ship or produce their product. Last but not least is remember customer are jobs. Also, it's sort of like checking our blood pressure. I care deeply about what our user think. So basically, Steve Jobs every day, every single day, or every single time they check customer feedback. Every product that they produce to create more product for the future plan. And also, for customers, they always put the best to create a new product for Apple company. For the next is conclusion. For our conclusion about Apple company is Apple company have a lot of strategy and also a backup strategy for them, not only for future but for the current situation for the Apple company. So, company Apple seems that a lot of customer using Apple company because of their strategy, their planning, and also about the quality of the product. So, that's all for us. Thank you.